Good morning, classroom citizens. Welcome today to today's tour of what you need to do today. As always, there is a little morning message for you. Today there are some brain break questions and riddles for you to solve. So today's greeting is team up with someone at home and try to figure out the answers to the riddles. As always, please make sure you do the daily check-in first. I did clear it this time, so it should work properly for everybody. We're getting so close to everybody completing it each day. Here is today's daily agenda. We are on Thursday. You are going to do the 4th day of At the Box Office. This will be the last day of this activity. In reading, you have another video. This video is going to review text structures with you. Sorry about that. And you're going to continue to take notes about your subtopics. In writing, you're going to complete that last square on your worksheet today about theme and the lesson learned. And then, of course, as always, there are some optional science and social studies activities. I do encourage you to do the Monster Genetics project. That one is super fun, and it helps you to learn about genes and traits, and it's just really cool, and then you get to design a monster out of it. And then you can continue the virtual field trip to Yellowstone Park if you'd like as well. Today's spirit day is Mismatched Sock Day. Wear 2 different socks and send me a picture of your feet. If you're like me, most days your socks are mismatched, but it's a cute, fun way that you can go ahead and celebrate and do something fun. Reading. Okay, our goal is still researching a topic, identifying subtopics, and taking notes while you're reading. Yesterday you practiced using the box and bullet method with that planning page. You guys have shared with me your different subtopics, and some of you have even started filling in the bullets in multiple sections. But today you're going to watch a new video, and there are some planning organizers for you, which let me show you. You guys have a copy of this in your PAL. We did a win section earlier this year where you went around to all of the 3rd grade teachers and specialists, and you learned about the different text structures. You practiced using the diagrams and things like that. So today is more about looking for those text structures in your nonfiction books and using those diagrams that match each one to take even better notes. Remember, the most important thing about your notes is that it makes sense and it's helpful to you. So moving forward, whether it's boxes and bullets or these diagrams, they're your notes. So what's helping you to remember? Okay, so there are blank organizers. There's the one sheet that I just held up. I do have samples on the next page. As always, all of your collections are linked right here. I did add our EPIC class code because it seemed like some of you were having trouble finding that on Google Classroom or remembering what the code was. If you do have your PALs at home, I strongly encourage you, write this down on the front page along with where all your other passwords are located. This way you don't have to worry about losing that in the future. Here are my sample diagrams. I chose the sequential and the cause and effect text structure, and you'll see me go over those more in the reading video that you watched today. As always, in case you forgot your group, here are your different reading topics. Just in case you haven't had a chance yet, I'm going to leave chapter 25. Again, thank you, Miss Mulehall. I'm going to leave chapter 25 here until tomorrow. And next week is the last chapter of our book. We're going to finally see how it ends. Math today, as I said, we are doing the last day. So you need inventory sheet number 4, and you're going to go to the slides. There is no extra math video today. However, you can revisit the videos from day 1, 2, and 3 if you do need some additional help. And again, your math goal is to be able to compare fractions using fraction circles or area models and things like that. As always, please feel free to play any other math games. Writing today, as I said, you're going to be going over theme. This is a picture of what the theme chart looks like. You can print your own or have it open on your screen while you're reading the dot today. And as you watch this video, the video will model finding the theme and then give you a chance to practice before you have to move on to doing it yourself today. You are filling in the fourth square for theme and lesson learned today, and then your claims about a text page will be completely finished, and we'll do something with all of that information you've collected this week tomorrow. Again, as always, there are optional science and social studies activities. I am suggesting that you do the monster genetics activity if you haven't yet. That one really is just fun, cute, and I really think you can learn a lot from it. I didn't learn about genetics until high school, so it's kind of cool you have a chance to learn about it in 3rd grade. And then continuing your trip to Yellowstone National Park if you haven't done so yet. Okay? If you have any questions, I'll be in the chat all day. Good luck and have fun.